Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at how to make perfect roast potatoes. So here I served around 4 to 5 people, so I took about 5 to 6 roasting potatoes or baking potatoes, and as you can see here I've cut them up in quarters and I half boiled them for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. We call this parboiling, so just part boil the potatoes. After about 10 to 15 minutes you want to then drain the water, and once you drain the water you need to give the potatoes a good shake in the colander. This really helps with the fluffiness, so please don't miss this part out. So you now want to grab yourself a oven proof dish, so a medium sized one just like this is fine, and pour in a nice generous amount of olive oil. I didn't use a specific measurement here, but you can use around 2 tablespoons or so, but you can always add a bit more. This will help to add to the colour and the golden crispiness of the potato, so try and make sure that you do add a nice generous amount. So I've poured the potatoes in here as you can see, so what we're now going to do is add a few pinches of salt and pepper. Acquire it to your taste, how you like it, but I added about 2 pinches of both salt and pepper. So once you've added those in, you now want to put the potatoes in the oven for about half an hour to 40 minutes, and you want to do it on about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Just look at these potatoes, so you can see here they're nice and golden, they've come out very nice and crispy, and they're perfectly cooked all the way through. So I've put my fork in here and you can see that my potato goes straight through the potatoes. The colour you can see is nice and golden on the outside. As you can see here, the colour of the potatoes is really nice and they tasted really fluffy as well. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.